These pipes go on the left rack. Okay, moving the sheets over. Wheels and parts are next. Engines are secure. Initiating the cut now. The edges are smoothing out. Now for the final shaping. Okay, align the panel with the frame. It's flush now, ready to bolt. Starting on this side now. Good. Secure the top edge. It's good. Tightening the rear now. All right, let's get this engine mounted. I'm on it. Pass the wrench. Here, tighten this side first. Got it. Almost there. Dashboard lights are connected. Headlights are fixed. Testing now. Indicators are secure. Finished. Let's start it up. Headlights are on, bright and clear. Good. Let's check the engine performance. Sounds smooth, no issues. Okay, lifting the seat now. Got it. Guide it in. Stretching the roof cover. I'll secure the clips, tightening these handles. Cushions are set.